to the San Diego County Fair, or as I like to call it, could we fry that? We're gonna try a fried avocado and see if green gold can be turned into something white trash. $7.50 later, the avocado and tomatoes have been fried. Let's see, you know, frying is the great equalizer, really, because this could be filet mignon, this could be gold bricks for as far as we know. Once it's been breaded and fried, all right, little fried avocado, taste test, look at that, man. Looks pretty good. Alright. That's pretty good. So, as ashamed as I am to say this, a fried avocado is not enough. There's just not enough fat in it, so I'm gonna dip it in the ranch here. Give it a little ranch so that, you know, give it some flavor. Oh, now we're good. Turn off the camera, this is for kids. No, done. And then me. Now, what's really cool is that it's kind of like this crazy gamble, you know? What's Title 24 regulations? Is that like deathly radiation, or is that like, you know, you can't have livestock in public? Because I mean, livestock in public, clearly we've got, you know, a pony show here, so that would be okay. But I love this. It's like the whole fair is taking your life and like putting it on the line. Can I survive after eating a fried avocado? I don't know. Maybe that's what Title 24 is all about. Maybe Title 24 is like the regulation is thou shalt not eat things that will kill you. No, how could we legislate against something so good?
You only live once. Enjoy the color.